Hello, in this video we are going to learn the cat plot here. Here cat plot is also a Seaborn library, part of a Seaborn library for data visualization. Okay, and here a cat plot represents data in the form of cat that is hanging. Okay, it represents data in the form of cat that is hanging. Cat plot is useful to compare different data. So to create a cat plot, we can use cat plot function available in the Seaborn. Okay, so the cat plot look like this one, sample graph, simple, this like the hanging cat plot. So for this we have to draw this cat plot. We have to import the libraries, Python libraries, Seaborn and the Seaborn libraries. So first you have to import this library, and to use this, and the simple program is there, write a Python program to display cat plot using iris flower data. Okay, iris dataset, this iris dataset available in Seaborn, we have to import that into our program and compare sepal length of all the three types of flower. In iris dataset there will be three type of flowers will be there, represented by species column. Okay, and find which species has higher sepal length. We have to find the which species has higher sepal length, okay, by using cat plot. So for that we have to import this data set into our program. So Seaborn has this iris data set, simple. So sn dot load underscore data set iris. Okay, you have to show it in the iris data frame. So this load underscore data set function returns data frame which is stored in the iris. Okay, just execute it. Right, so we got the species column and sepal length column. So there are different species. We have to find out which species has higher sepal length. Okay, different species has different kind of length will be there. On average, which species has higher sepal length, we have to find out. Okay, so if you want to know the unique species, just use the unique method here, simple. If you want to know the unique species, df is equal to, right, iris species dot unique. If you want to know the unique values, just use this simple unique method, just execute it. So observe here, so the only three different type of flowers are there. We have to find which species has higher sepal length. Okay, for that we have to take x-axis species and y-axis sepal length here. Okay, and before that you have to draw, if you want to draw cat plot, just use cat plot function available in the Seaborn, sns dot cat plot, and which data set you are working, iris data is equal to iris x-axis species and y-axis sepal length, right, sepal length, sepal underscore length. That's it, simple, just execute it. Observe, see, x-axis different species, setosa, versicolor species, virginica, and on average you can observe virginica has more sepal length compared to other species. Okay, setosa and versicolor, virginica has more sepal length here. Okay, so you observe here cat hanging, like a cat hanging, that's why you call as cat plot. Okay, simple. If you want to draw cat plot, you have to just follow three steps. Just import the libraries, Python pandas Seaborn library, and in Seaborn library iris dataset is there. You have to, if you want to use that dataset, import into your program that dataset using with the help of load underscore dataset. It returns iris data frame. So in iris data, just apply cat plot to the iris data frame, include species, taking x-axis species and y-axis sepal length. Okay, to know which species has higher sepal length. By observing this plot, we can observe that, means by observing that you can know virginica has higher sepal length when compared to other two species. Okay, simple, cat plot. Next video we will see the volume plot. Okay, volume plot.